Microsoft Visual Studio. Microsoft Visual Studio is an IDE made by Microsoft and used for software development and used for different types of software development such as computer programs, websites, web apps, web services, and mobile apps. It contains completion tools, compilers, and other features to facilitate the software development process. It is a software program for developers to write, edit, debug, and build their code. To download Visual Studio, go to your browser and search for visualstudio.microsoft.com, or you can just click the link in the description below. You can then download it free with the latest version of it. So there is our Visual Studio, Visual Studio Code, and Visual Studio for Mac. In Visual Studio you can use full-featured IDE to code, debug, test, and deploy to any platform. It has Community, Professional, and Enterprise. Visual Studio Community is free, used for individual programmers, academic uses, and open source. Professional is for professional and trial, so if you want to use it professionally you can buy it. Enterprise is used for organization, same as in professional. Visual Studio Code is used for edit and debugs on any OS. And Visual Studio for Mac. And now install the Community 2019.